What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video here in Ultimate Driving Scammer Islands, and today I'm going to be talking about why I am not supporting this game anymore. This is a scam. 22 pilots, you are a piece of crap for doing what you did. So, let's get right into this. So if we come here, if you do not play this game and do not know what I'm talking about, or you do not know why I'm so furious right now, if you look at the job list here, we have citizen, trucker, firefighter, highway worker, transit, and mailman.
Okay, and
Transit was free, mailman was free.
yeah.
The rest, they cost money, except for citizen, obviously that's free. Trucker, firefighter, highway patrol, and police.
But they're all
Actually,
free.
I don't see police on here, probably because I'm on the police team. Trucker's free. They made that free a while back. That, even at that point, I was like, dang, I wasted Robux on that. But they give you this. A jet truck, which, in a sense, it seems cool. Like, yeah, sure, it's a jet truck. You can't haul anything with this. What am I supposed to do with this? This literally provides me nothing. I can't hook a trailer up to this. I can't tow with it. Literally, the only thing I can do with this is drive it around. So what is the point of owning this when I literally can't make any money off with it? I can't gain any experience for the trucker job with this. What was the point of giving us this? Not to mention, the trucker pass is 200 Robux. You're charging 200 Robux for a truck that I can't even tow with. I initially paid for the trucker pass. I forget how much
Are
it
you
was.
brain dead or something?
But, you got all access to the whole team. You got all these different trucks and stuff. Now you want to charge 200 Robux for one truck that you can't tow with?
Well, is it even
Y'all are
fast? Is that
outrageous.
that's the most
Second of
important
all,
thing? Is it even
the
fast?
police team. It is now 300 Robux for this SWAT van. You're gonna charge $300 for this SWAT van that ain't even...
Okay, I feel like we could have had like a better. I feel like we could have had a better police vehicle. Yeah, I know the SWAT van's not really the best because it only does like 120. Maybe we could have gotten like a Charger Hellcat or something that would have been cool, like a nice muscle car, and a muscle car that actually goes fast. Except besides all the Dodge Chargers and Camaros that can't even do 200.
Gonna catch up to any criminals, because you know good and well nobody roleplays in this darn game. Nobody roleplays in this game. The only place where people roleplay are in roleplay servers. If you go into a public server, nobody's roleplaying. The top speed of this thing is 120 miles an hour. What criminal is this going to catch? This is going to catch nobody. This does no benefit to anybody. So let's just say, for example, that each team was 50 Robux. Now, I know there was more, it costs more, yes, for some of them, and for others
Is that
it
like
was
a friend of
cheaper.
yours?
But if we do a simple... What are you guys doing? That's why
It's
I
just
shouldn't have made the
it's just two people being idiots.
So let's just say 50 times 4 jobs. We'll just go with that. I have every pass in this game. I bought them a long time ago. So I wasted at least, at minimum, 200 Robux on these passes just so I can get a truck I can't haul with and some SWAT van that ain't gonna catch up to any criminals or anything. So this begs the question, what was the point of this exactly? 22 pilots, y'all are a bunch of damn scammers because this benefits absolutely nobody and you've pissed off about half of your community. I'll admit, back in 2015, this game was 2015 to 17.
Yeah, but the game is. Yeah, but nowadays the game's. I don't see this game getting much traction at all. I'll be surprised if it even does get more traction.
This game was elite. This was a great game. I played it 24/7. Now this game is trash. Like, oh my god. Not only that, but you've not only made me mad, but you have also made several other people mad, and I will show an example here.
So this game, 22
Just a
players
couple of
reserve the right
messages
to
from
make
my
all the
friends who
passes
says,
free.
This person said UD was rude.
It's
First, it was
his
the new
game.
chassis,
You
which yes, I agree. I made a video a long
just
time
bought
ago
them in order to
talking
test
about
them
why I
before
didn't want to play because
an
of the
overhaul
bad
results
chassis.
in a full
And
release,
then
thus
now they made
making it free. The
trucking
SWAT
free,
team
which I
is still
said wasn't a good idea. And then the
team is
police
still
and
a
everything
pass
else is free
because
now.
it's
I
being
cannot
worked
believe
on.
who,
That's why
and
it's
as
a
my
pass.
friend said,
However,
all this stuff here, I cannot
the
believe this
SWAT
man
vehicle
did
and the
this in
police
such
team usually.
a waste, dude. So, obviously, as you see, we are not happy with this, and we'll go to my other friend here who says,
So it's not
this game's
technically a
disgusting and
scheme.
not cool. Basically,
Same with
it
the
is
truck team.
that you waste $1 billion on the game
Holden
and it
was
scammed you. Now all the
fully.
jobs are free, you can't do anything about it. They're a bunch of scammers. Leave the freaking game. Waste of a lot of money.
Get free instead of them
So,
overhauling it, but still making it
nobody is happy with you right now.
in a
Half your
pass.
community is not happy. The only people who are happy are people like this who just get access to everything for free now. So,
It would result in sad or angry players making them quit. So as
this new
Judd
chassis also sucks, by the way. I said this a million times. This chassis is garbage.
said, go
But
check
yeah,
out this comment. He had no intention of to scam anyone.
So far downhill.
Exactly,
this
listen to what
isn't a
he's
typical
saying.
Video of mine. I typically don't complain about a lot of things, but I feel like this just needed to be talked about since it's just
You're right.
BS at this
They did
point.
make the passes free.
How are
He's
you
the
going to rip
owner.
people off that
I
much
enjoy the
money?
free
Not to
passes.
mention, I've looked up the game worth, and
They are
Greenville has been
trying to
around
make
for
the
less
game
time
less
than your game
EA,
has.
unlikely Bed Wars.
Greenville has less stuff to buy, yet it still is valued.
This
About
game has completely died now. It's better and the cars were
I can tell where you guys are
understeer
coming from.
like
You're not
real
making any
cars,
money
but
off
it's
of it, but that does not give
a
you
cheap
the-
attempt at a car game. Still 2K players.
That does not give you the permission to scam everyone out of their Robux.
Maybe, but
So,
probably be
I don't know. I just thought this really
more if
made
the
me mad,
mods
and
didn't
it made a lot of
ban
other
people for
mad as well.
the slightest reasons.
So,
There was a few
yeah, that's
channels
pretty
that I
much what
remember
it is for
either
the
said
video.
something about 22 or
I'm
his
just not happy with
dog
this, so
shit of
if
a
y'all
game now.
don't
And
play
he
this
had
game anymore. That's
some
all I
mod and
have to
admin.
say.
I'm not reading the rest
Don't
of that.
play
That's
anymore.
just ridiculous.
Other than that,
Yes.
I'm just out. You know what? No. I'm literally out.
Braden, yeah. I'm not gonna go and try and mock this YouTuber for anything. But I feel like you should not be. But I feel like, yeah, maybe the SWAT, we could have got something better from the police team. But the SWAT, but the jet truck. Well, let's see. Let's see what the jet truck is reserved for. What? Jet truck. Go. Purposes is serve. What? $376 mph? That's insane. Not even the Vel 16 could reach that top speed. 36,000 horsepower. That's like. So I guess that's the new fastest jet truck. Oh well. But still, that jet truck isn't reserved for towing. It's reserved for either one, breaking out speed records, or to racing. Either one. Okay? I'd say it's reserved for racing. I'd say it's reserved for both. Breaking world records and racing. But whatever.